it's me, Kelani, from Chikara, Power of God. And we have some announcements, so let's rough right into it. First off, did you guys know that we have Manga PV episodes out? They are the free chapters that are out on Webtoons, but fully acted by voice actors and original music. Please go support. Oh snap, I'm on a skateboard? That's right! Chikara has partnered with Rikayushi and several skateboard companies to make amazing skateboard grip tape. Go check them out! Do you like shirts and stickers? I sure do! So go pop over to the Chikara Power of God official Instagram to check out how you can fight with style. And lastly, if you haven't read the manga, what are you waiting for? Books 1 through 3 are available on Amazon as paperbacks and ebooks. Do it for me because I'm the cute one. And that's all from me, guys. Make sure to follow our creator for current updates and amazing art. Bye-bye!